Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking the idea and rapid assets, niche, hook, and desired length. Once chosen, write a 15-60-second script focused on one idea and a clear call to action. This improves retention and click-throughs. Then select AI tools, TTS for voice, an image-to-video or text-to-video generator for visuals, and a thumbnail AI. Make sure to collect reference clips and keywords now so your AI outputs match tone and intent before you generate full assets. Once assets are ready, generate voice and visuals in parallel to save time. Use TTS with humanized pacing and small pauses so captions sync easily. You want natural rhythm. For visuals, force 9, 16, craft prompts for coherent scenes, and aim for 0. 5 1-second shots to match short pacing. Then import into your editor, align voice and clip beats, trim to the strongest hook within the first 1-2 seconds, and add auto captions and branding so viewers recognize your content instantly. You finalize by exporting at high bitrate and verifying 9/16 framing, then craft a punchy title and thumbnail that match the hook. Once uploaded, schedule and run short A/B tests on thumbnails and opening lines, and monitor retention and click-through rates to learn what works. If performance lags, reshoot or regenerate the first 2-3 seconds, tighten cuts, or switch TTS voice to improve engagement. That single change often flips retention and boosts the algorithm response.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.